If people use the Retain Your Brain software in our research study, they were able to lower their Alzheimer's risk by 6% in only 6 months.
Alzheimer's shouldn't be talked about in your 60s, 70s, and 80s. It should be talked about in your 30s, 40s, and 50s. So in 2006, a paper came out looking at omega-3 fatty acids and its relationship to brain health and cognition and Alzheimer's risk. It was convincing. People with an ApoE4 variant, ApoE4 is the most common genetic risk factor for Alzheimer's disease. 25% of the population have it. There's 4 of us in here. Probably one of us have it. ApoE4 increases risk, but omega-3 fatty acids preferentially protect against Alzheimer's in people with the ApoE4 variant. Now you have this concept of personalized medicine, precision medicine. We've heard about this in cancer. We've heard about this in other conditions, and that's kind of what just changed the way I think about Alzheimer's. Genes are not your destiny. You can win the tug of war against your genes. And I really believe if someone has the ApoE4 variant, great. I know what to do about it. 1 copy, no big deal. I believe you can neutralize the negative impact of that gene, probably 80, 90% of it, by living the right lifestyle and modifying risk factors.
They have to go onto their computer and just type in Retain Your Brain on Google.
Exactly.
Osteoporosis and osteopenia. When a bone is not very dense, it's one of the leading causes of death. You think of women that have osteoporosis and they fall and break a hip. Well, men get it too. So it's men and women. Calcium intake, vitamin D, okay, there's lots of things. But just staying physically active and weight training, doing strength training is absolutely critical for building and maintaining muscle mass as we age. And as you get older, you need to personalize or modify some things because your body is different 20 years later. You're the same person on the inside in some ways, but you're different. Your bones are different, your muscles are different, your nutrition's different, your sleep is different. Aging causes specific changes. So doing things passive. So if you're going to go for a walk anyway, try a weighted vest or a rucksack. Just add a little bit of load. If you're going to exercise and you want to lose body fat, well, work smarter, not harder. Zone 2 exercise, keeping a pulse rate of 60-65% of your max heart rate, that's the body fat burning mode. And you personalize it based on your numbers. So if you have ApoE4, if you have low body fat, high muscle mass, low muscle mass, you can personalize an exercise routine that targets these individual numbers, and then you track the numbers. That's the core of precision medicine.